All right, party people in the place to be. It's your boy, the Drum Dreamer, aka Uncle Rico. And look what we got here. We got the Mavic 4 Pro unboxing. And instead of doing this inside, I figured let's do it outside in the elements. Does anybody even do this? I don't know, but we're gonna do it anyway. Let's get it popping. This just came in today, party people. And we gonna make it do what it do, baby. Look at that. Look at that. And for those wondering, your boys from the great state of Texas. Right now I'm in New Braunfels, Texas, the great land of Park. Y'all, if you're familiar with my channel, you have seen me shoot here. Now, I'm not gonna go through all the specs because by now, everybody and their mama has done that. So let's get to the getting. That's our quality box. Bam. Bam. We're gonna put that to the side. Here's the bag. What's in the bag? Bam. Bam. I got like 3 cameras set up, y'all. So, that's our quality bag. That. Pop that bad boy open. And let's just go ahead and go for the gold, people. Let's just go ahead and go for the gold. Here it is. Here it is, people. Let's just go ahead and go for the gold. Out here in this Texas heat, putting on this show for y'all. And bam, there she blows, people. There she blows. There she blows. Look at that there. Look at that there. I don't know if this reminds me of Alien, the head on an alien, or Bane. I don't know. So, got that boy upside down. Let's unclip it. And there she blows, people. There she blows. Well, let's, you know what we gotta do. We gotta go ahead and undo that boy. Let's take these off before you mess up something. And there it is. In its gracious wideness. Now I have the Air 3S, and it's definitely bigger than that. But it's not high quality. What we're gonna do is power this bad boy on. And there goes that roll. That roll, people. There goes that roll. And there she is. There she is in all its glory. And so you got your batteries. Let's go and finish this thing out. You got your batteries. I got the Fly More combo, just in case you're wondering. And of course you got your remote. The RC2 in all its glory. We're gonna put that bad boy right here. And we got the propellers. We're not even gonna open those. Y'all know what propellers are. And what I've seen across the YouTube verse is this box with a whole bunch of plugs in it. A whole bunch of different plugs in it. But it ain't come like that for me, people. It ain't come like that for me. I got one plug up in here. One plug. What's up with that, man? I want all my plugs. We got a USB-C connector. Bam. And we got our power brick. So there we have it. That's what comes in the bag. So as you can see, I have this nice quality flat thing. And guess what, y'all? I don't have to unscrew these because you close it like that and they're protected. So, link gonna be in the description. You got a 12% of battery, so let's go and do this quick foolery. Bam. There goes that infinity gimbal. Going to portrait mode. Bam. And like I said, people, this one comes in the fly more. I do have this remote. This is not the RC2, but it is a huge rock X7 tablet that I put on the N3, and I'll be using this till I can get my hands on that RC2 Pro, baby, because I feel like this is not complete without that RC2 Pro. So this is what comes in it. I hope y'all enjoy it. Are you going to get the Mavic 4 Pro? And for those in the United States who are wondering how I got it, short answer is the internet. It's not sold in the US. It's not illegal in the US either. So I ordered it, it came, and here it is. So like I said before, this is your boy the Drone Dreamer, aka Uncle Rico. I hope y'all enjoy yourself. Comment and like and subscribe. And there will be more videos coming out about the Mavic 4 Pro. To the next episode, people. Peace.